What's up everybody, Rishi here, and in this module you will learn what is CPA marketing. CPA marketing is also a type of affiliate marketing, but it is basically a kind of lead generation platform whereby you can get paid for generating leads. What do I mean by generating leads? Let's find out. Have a look at the following CPA offer. This offer promises the user to win a free PlayStation 4 along with a Visa gift card in exchange for their email address. So if somebody enters their email, you will get paid for this lead provided the person reached this advert after clicking on your affiliate link. Don't worry, I'll show you later how you can grab your affiliate links from CPA network. So who is going to benefit from all these leads? And who is going to pay you for the leads you are generating? Let's find out. This is the website of a popular CPA network. But if you go to the website of any CPA network, you will always find these two options. One, to apply as an advertiser, or second, to apply as a publisher. When you join a CPA network, you will become a publisher or an affiliate for the network, and you will be generating leads for the advertiser. Thus we see that in CPA marketing there are three main players. The advertisers want somebody to do the hard work of sending traffic to their offers so that they can solely focus on their backend by milking more profits out of their subscribers. The advertiser approaches the middleman, that is the CPA network, to help him collect leads. The advertiser has already predefined whatever action he wants his prospects to take. That is, to submit their email or fill in their profile, submit zip code, etc. CPA networks are companies that act as a middleman between advertisers and publishers. They host offers from their advertisers and then have publishers, that is you, push the traffic to these CPA offers and they take a percentage of the lead value. The CPA networks does all the hard work of managing multiple publishers, tracking, testing, logistics and payments. Finally, the last of the players in CPA marketing is the publisher or an affiliate. It's the role of the affiliate to drive traffic to an offer and help advertiser get quality leads so that advertiser can market to them forever in the future. Let's understand this whole CPA business model using an example. If an advertiser contacts a network offering them $3 per conversion on an insurance offer, the network will then adjust your payout per action on this offer to $2.40. Therefore, every time you achieve a conversion, you will be paid $2.40 and the network 60 cents for providing you the offer. Thus, it's a win-win situation for all. But why is CPA marketing so lucrative as compared to other forms of marketing? Let's learn about the same in the next video.